Hello and welcome. Let's create a freeze frame in Premiere Pro. First, choose the frame that you want to freeze. Then, right-click on the video and click on Insert Frame Hold Segment. Now you can have a 2-second freeze frame. As you can see, the clip shifted to the right. To increase or decrease the duration of your freeze frame, hold the Control key, and when you see the yellow icon, you can pull or push the frame. Another way is to simply go to the camera icon. If you don't have access to it, go to plus and drag and drop it to add it. Next, export the frame, name it and select the format. I prefer PNG, import into project, and hit OK. It will be directly added to the project. Now, click and drag this frame to your timeline. And quick tips. Hold Ctrl to automatically shift the clip to the right. And like the previous one, hold the Control key and when you see the yellow icon, you can pull or push the frame. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.